Hey guys, the car tracker here. So just stopped by Interstate Battery in Jacksonville, Florida, and this here, my friend, is the battery that goes inside of the Maserati. So this battery does not take any fluid at all, from what the guy is telling me, which is why it's so expensive. So it looks exactly the same as the one that's currently in there, but with the Maserati logo. So they charge you another $126 for this. But since I was in the military, with military discount, this cost me about $197. So if I were to go to Maserati and get that one, it would cost me roughly about $326 plus tax. So the only thing that they don't do, they will not install the battery in the car for you. So right now I'm getting ready to take this baby home, just swap it out, and then go from there. So the good thing about buying bodies from these guys, you already come with the 36-month warranty on it, free replacement. In the case of the one in the Maserati right now that has a Maserati logo, you don't have that at all. So let's see what happens. Hey guys, this is the beast over here. So we're getting ready to go home, and so I can install my battery. So I got it in the back right now. So as you can see, there were some questions about customizing the touchscreen, which I've actually done that. So pretty much the way I did it, I've set it up the way I wanted. So I like to be able to press play and pause for my music when they playing from Google Play Music, my YouTube, all that cool stuff that I have on there. And here, this is my Waze ETA stuff. So right now I am getting ready to drive home. So we're just gonna tell Waze to do that and go home at that point. Okay, Waze, drive to St. Johns County, Florida.
Looking for St. Johns County, Florida.
There we go. That's it. And we are good to go, my friend. And this is it. So let's go home and fix this. Remember, so Maserati battery does not come with fluid, so you don't have to worry about any gas or any crazy things like that. But the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and dismount the negative cable first. After we do that, and we're gonna take the positive out, and but before we can do that, we're gonna remove this tire from the trunk. So we have enough space to pull the strap on the side over here, in order to pull the battery out, because if you don't release the strap, there's no way you're gonna be able to get it out. All right, so just in case you want to know what kind of battery that the car takes, if you come over here and take a look at this, it takes you can of course buy the Maserati brand, which is the same thing. They just slap the label on it. It would cost you about $326, but if you just get the regular interstate battery with 36-month AGM free replacement warranty on this one, it comes down to $218 with tax and everything. But if you're in the military, 10% discount, you're looking at $197. And right there, this is your battery. It's a 49H8, so that's the battery. So we're getting ready to change it right now. This is a close-up for you guys, just in case you need to know where to get it. As far as this battery, this is the only place you will find it, Interstate or Maserati. Those are the two places that you can get this battery. I don't know if other places have them, but they just don't know the requirement, what kind of battery Maserati take. But this is the battery. Alright, so I just got done unscrewed the negative pole. I take this switch over there, so just remember where you take them so that way you can replace them back. Release the strap over here, and we're just gonna take this component out and place it in the new battery. And the next step, I'm just gonna remove the positive side of it and use a screwdriver Phillips to remove these two clips right here. That's what hold this thing in place, and that way I can pull out the battery and place the new one in there. All right, hang on. Okay guys, so I got it out. So I took it out, the negative pole from this one. I took the cap from the other battery and put it on this one, so that way there was no spark when I was taking it out from the back here. Now that I have this one, so I'm putting it in there, I'm just gonna fasten it just a little bit. and then now I'm ready to put it back in there. But just so you know, Maserati put a bracket right down here. There's a screw right there. This is what they use to secure the battery so it doesn't move front and back, and the strap just keeping it from going to the left or right and stuff like that. So now we got everything out, so let's go ahead and slap in the battery real quick. Alright guys, so just finished slapping the new Interstate batteries in there. So from this day forward, I keep my receipt so that way I know everything is good. So if the battery faulty in 36 months, then they can give me a new one free of charge. So I just got to dispose of that one to them. So right now the only thing that is left to do, I'll bring back the kit, the emergency kit, tire kit in a minute. But let's go ahead and test the car to see if it starts. Oh, we got power. All right, keys inside. All right. Okay. On. Boom, that's it. All right, this is how you officially change a battery in the Maserati without any issues. So it's very easy to do. It's not that complicated. Yeah, it's really not that complicated. So just take your time and do it. So this right there will save you about $500 on Maserati. So they say it's about an hour worth of work. It can be complicated sometimes, but it's pretty easy to do. So now let's go ahead and put my tire kit back in there, and we'll go from there. And that right there, my friend, this is how you change a Maserati tire. So thank you very much for watching, guys. So if you have any suggestions or comments, just go ahead and post them. I will do my best to answer them for you. Ciao, ciao. Bye.